sorry to make you repeat this, but what charges is your client facing?
As I indicated, the docket in the courtroom indicated a charge of conspiracy, but I can indicate he was arrested on a single count, terrorism in Canada Criminal Code under 83.19, which is a facilitating a terrorist. How does he feel? I think he's in shock.
Representative Mr. Ellis, is that right?
No actual terrorism.
Can you tell us a bit about him? Where he works, whether he has family, wife, kids, anything?
I'm not able to answer those questions at this point. We're just meeting him and probably going out to jail with him, but at this point I don't know.
He appears to be face more charges than the other suspects. Is he the alleged ringleader then of this nascent conspiracy?
I don't know.
Facilitation of a terrorism offense.
And the
but it didn't show up on the document. Only conspiracy.
But you can't say anything about it. I mean, he's being painted as a terrorist. It might be nice to know anything about well, how did he appear in your meetings with him? What were your first impressions?
Well, we're getting to, we're just getting to meet him for the first time. He seems to be, taking the matter seriously. Obviously very concerned about it. He's been charged with some serious offenses. But as with anyone else, he has the right to trial and the right to answer the accusations. So we're going to take that one step at a time.
Mr. McCurch is as much as anyone is an experienced prosecutor in this realm. Is that daunting for you at all just to go forward?
Basically,
no. We take this case very seriously. It's going to be given a real priority. I'm practicing for 22 years and done lots of high-profile cases. We've got a solid firm of 5 criminal lawyers doing exclusively criminal law. So for us, we're here every day. This is what we do, and this is the only kind of law we practice. So we specialize in it. Well, I cannot be able to answer the question at this point, but certainly they're very serious charges. There's no question about that. They're the most serious charges you can face, except for a murder charge. So it's a matter that's being taken very seriously.
Sorry, where was he arrested specifically?
I don't know the answer to that. I mean, I'm going by media reports at this point.
Yeah.
But we're just getting into it.
You don't know whether he was a resident of the house or the apartment that was raided yesterday?
I don't know the answer to that. Sorry.
Okay.